Okay, so we're right here on video 2. We're going to let f of x equals x squared. And then g of x is, or x squared plus 2x minus 1. And then we're going to have g of x is 3x. So we have this right here. And then g of x is just 3x, which I'm trying to find over here with my little squares. So this is g of x, 3x. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the f plus the g. So I'm going to add this x squared, so this plus this. I'm going to add those two. That means I have to combine like terms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and, put x squared plus 2x minus 1 in here, and then 3x over here. So I'm going to combine like terms. So x squared, there's no other x squared that I'm going to add it to, so it's just bring it down. Then you have a positive 2x and a positive 3x. That's a positive 5x minus 1. So then this would be your answer there, because you just combine like terms. Over here, you're going to subtract this minus 3x. Okay? So we're going to put x squared plus 2x minus 1, and then this is 3x. So we're going to, remember we got to distribute the minus, so that's going to be 2x minus 1 minus 3x. So again, there's nothing that combines with the x squared, you just bring it down. Then you have the 2x and a minus 3x, that's going to be a negative x, and then the minus 1 goes right there. So your final answer is x squared minus x minus 1. We're going to multiply over here. Okay. So we got to multiply those two. Make sure we put them in parentheses. So we're going to multiply x squared plus 2x minus 1 times 3x. Okay. So now this, what we're going to do is we're going to scratch that out and put 3x right here. Then we have x squared plus 2x minus 1. So we're going to add another square right here. Okay. So we're going to multiply. 3x times x squared is 3x cubed. 3x times 2x is going to be 6x. And then 3x to, and it's squared because you have an x here and an x here, so that makes it squared. And then 3x times a negative 1 is a negative 3x. So now you cannot combine anything. This is a cube, that's a square, and that's just a single x. So your answer is going to be 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 3x. Oops, 3x, not 36. And so that's going to be your final answer right there. Over here, we're dividing. So we're dividing the f by g. So we're dividing that by that. Okay, so we're going to have x squared plus 2x minus 1 over 3x. And you cannot cancel anything out, so that's going to be your final answer right there. Okay, here we're going to subtract 3x minus all of that. So I'm going to move that up. So I'm going to put the 3x right here. Parentheses when you subtract x squared plus 2x minus 1. So now we got to distribute the minus to all of these. So that's going to be 3x minus x squared minus 2x plus 1. So that's a minus, and then minus and a minus is a positive. So now the negative x squared goes first because you have to write it in order from the biggest exponent to the smallest. 3x minus 2x is positive x plus 1. So then this is going to be your final answer. And then over here, we're dividing the g over f. So g over f. So it's going to be 3x over that. So 3x over x squared plus 2x minus 1. And that's going to be your final answer. Okay, now you're going to go to video 3 to watch the last ones there.